guys, welcome back to our channel Motor Beast. Please subscribe and press the bell icon for the more updates.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the
Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Motor Beast. As you can get from the thumbnail, this is going to be a Suzuki Dzire. So that is a Swift and this is Dzire. Both the colors combination is very nice, and this is the blue treatment. I like the blue treatment, but I like the more treatment on red, and this is sporty feeling of red design. So first, let's open the engine boot. So this is the engine of Suzuki Dzire, and it's a petrol variant, 97cc engine, and battery placement is here. Nice insulation on the boot, and engine boot is very heavy now. So there is more space, and this is not a diesel variant. And push back towards cabin, we can see engine. And let's close now. So first, let's coming to the headlights. These are the LEDs of headlights, very nice, and projected setup. So nice treatment of projected setup, and see the look design of the projected setup, very nice done of cross cuttings, eye-catching design of headlights, and nice design. And this is fresh look of headlights design, we can say, and cornering lights. And these are the fog lamps design, lower side and plastic treatment on fog lamps, very nice done. And see the grill, massive grill of the front, and chrome treatment of the grill lines. So completely running out chrome treatment box shape, and Suzuki logo at the between center, and number plate placement is below lower, much lower. So overall this is a side. So coming to the side, this is a tire profiles, and see the alloy wheels on alloy wheels on this vehicle, very nice, and dual tone chrome treatment of alloy wheels. And see the look design, spokes on the alloy wheels, very nice done. And in Suzuki, one of the best feature is each design, each vehicle has a separate design of alloy wheels, and here you can see another alloy wheels. So coming to here, this is Dzire wheels, and the profile of the tire is 185/65 15 inches tires, and it's a sedan car, and 15 inches tires is massive enough on this tire. Car, Bridgestone tires, and I like the design of the alloy wheels, and see the disc size is massive, and body level and the tire of the profile is very lower side. And coming to side, this is a VVT badge at the written here, and these are the side view mirrors, simple design, and indicator on side view mirror, nice done. And doors, windows are large enough, and nice airy feeling, and no chrome treatment of door handles. Keyless entry button, and chrome line finish of below the windows. So this is the profile of the side. And coming to the rear, so now taillight has gone, sorry for that, and LEDs on taillight, nice design. Fourth generation to this, now become the LEDs on taillight, very nice done. Dzire badge there, Suzuki badge center, Maruti Suzuki, and ZXi top variant of ZXi plus this vehicle is. And coming to the boot, so this is a 378 liters of boot, and there is no light etc on this boot, so no insulation on boot also. So let's see under the, so this is a spare wheel, and the profile of the tire of the spare wheel is, I can't read now. So there is no alloy wheels, disappointing, and nothing much of boot. So the shutdown sound is also very loud, and see the chrome line finish at the center, and very massive. And this is a petrol lid, and let's sit inside the rear seat. So this is a rear seat, rear profile, 3 people can easily sit. Now seats are in leather, nice treatment of that, catching the person of seats, and 3 people can easily travel for long journeys. And coming to here, door pockets, there you can see 1 liter water bottle, have holder, and power window. These are chrome treatment on door handles, very nice done. So this is the space of entering the rear seat. Let's sit inside. So these are off the market mats, black finish, but in this white mats will be come, and under the support is some lacking, nothing much. So see the knee room, massive enough, headroom is also massive enough for 6 feet, above 6 feet, and no scooped out seats, magazine holders are there. And coming to here, so there are two headrest, adjustable headrest. There is no center headrest, and there is a center armrest as we expect same from the Suzuki's twin cup holders. Nice. And there you can see some to keep the space, and there is no splitter seats also on offer to increase the boot space. And seat belts are also finished in the white treatment. This is a white interior treatment and some black finish on the doors, but exactly almost all below the part of this completely white treatment, and nice interior area feeling with this cream and white treatment. And seat belts are also finished in the white treatment only. So speakers on doors, so you can see here the AC vents at the rear, very small, but we can adjust our AC vents, very nice. And 12-volt charging socket for rear passengers, and coin holder here you can see. So these AC vents only come in Swift Desire, you won't get in Swift. So this is a rear profile, and dashboard will be like this from the rear. So let's go to front and see what all the features are there. So these are the front door, and here you can see the holder and power windows, side view mirror adjustable as same older design, and chrome finish of line, and 1 liter water bottle at door pockets and magazine holder, and wood finish on the line of door, very nice. And some touches also wood finish on the dashboard, very nice done. And coming to here, there is no center armrest, disappointing, and handbrake manual adjustable, and this is 5-speed manual gear lever. And here you can see the twin cup holders, and there you can see the 12-volt charging socket with the USB and aux. So coming to the glove box, massive enough to keep the documentation of vehicle. And there you can see dashboard, black and cream finish in between them. So there is a wood finish and wood treatment on dashboard, very nice done. And slightly wood treatment on front doors also we can see. So there is no treatment of wood at the rear, and only on the dashboard and front doors handles have a wood treatment finish. And there you can see the 4 AC vents, nicely done, and plastics are soft, very nice done. And at below you can see the harder plastics, and this is a 7-inch touchscreen, and Apple CarPlay, Android Play at same infotainment system, audio system as compared to all the Suzuki vehicles. And nice done Apple CarPlay also, and smooth touch. And so now you listen the audio sound, very nice, excellent of audio sound of this vehicle, and nice performance of audio system in this vehicle. And this is 7-inch touchscreen, I said already, and voice control.
Please say the command after the beep. You can say help for possible commands, back to go back, or cancel to cancel the speech session. To interrupt the prompt, press the push to talk button.
This is not a practicality of infotainment system, we know. So only this is voice control only for control the audio system and some media systems. So overall voice control is also there. And let's check the home. So navigation is there, same as compared to all the Suzuki vehicles. And this is a auto climate control on this vehicle. So here you can see a small digital meter, display of climate control, and here these buttons for AC controls, and black finish at the lower side, very nice done. And this is manual car, and it's a 1197cc engine, as I said already. And coming to the instrument clusters, you see the sporting feeling on display instrument cluster, very nice done. This is for RPM meter, this is for speedometer, and middle you can see the display of small digital meter for odometer, trip A, temperature, cool, and fuel gauge, etc. on the middle. Same instrument cluster in all the vehicles of 3 Breeza, Suzuki Swift, and Swift Desire. So and you see the box shape design at the round on the instrument cluster, very nice done. And this lever is for wipers, and this lever is for lights and indicators. And this is the steering, and also on steering also you can feel the wood touch and wood finish of light touch of wood finish. And bottom you can see the flat, and these controls are for audio system, a nice button to operate. And this, there is no other side buttons, so same as older generation. And these buttons is for lift the call and decline. And center you can see the sporty round feeling treatment of steering, so very nice done. Suzuki logo badge on the steering, very nice. And hazard light switch is there, in detail you can see. So there is no auto dimming inside, missing out that, and light at the center, and this is for mic, and mirror with no light, and there is no mirror, no light, only for tool receipts. So on other side here you can see in detail engine start stop button, and in detail you can see the parking, I mean sensors parking on off button here, parking. So this lever is for adjustable of high beam. And let's check the rear camera. So this is a rear camera of, sorry, this is a rear camera, and there is guidelines, but there is not adaptive guidelines, so disappointing me that. And sensors are nice performing, camera capacity, I mean camera clarity is also very nice on rear camera, reverse camera very nice done. And this is a dashboard, and it's a new fresh look of dashboard and BS6. This is 2021 vehicle, and I have done walk around also a test drive video. If you want to go check the test drive video, please press the I button here. So overall nice done, dashboard is very nice, clean finish compared to older generation, and no cross cuttings at all, and nice airy feeling. And this is a rear from the front, here you can see. So this is a dashboard design, and overall this is a walk around video. If you like the video, please give thumbs up, please subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon, follow me on Instagram, link in the description. Thank you so much for watching, see you in the next video. Bye bye guys, take care.